Here we go.
So you're taking pictures, right?
Oh, look at that.
Start the recording.
Oh, breathing in. Okay.
Can we fit?
Hi. That's what she said. Did you get that? Well, she was at the elevator. That's what she said.
This thing never stopped.
That's what you get for living with my dad.
Welcome everyone to the CN Tower. Bienvenue à la Tour CN. The view is just to the front, to the side, and there's also two glass panels below you if you'd like to take a look down.
Hey, there is.
We're traveling at a speed of 22 kilometers per hour, 15 miles. So only 1 minute until we reach the lookout level. To the south is Lake Ontario and also Toronto Centre Island. Picked a great day to come because we're going to see all of the Greater Toronto area.
Level 140. Men's clothing. 141 women's clothing.
No, I don't want to look down. No, I
No,
don't want to look down. I'm scared. No, it's really. No, I don't want
Alright,
to look
so
down.
thank you everyone. This is the lookout level we're coming to now, 346 meters, or 114 building stories. If you're going higher to the sky pod, the line's just out front.
Yours popped.
Yeah, mine did twice actually.
A couple times. Anybody else?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I don't feel
Gum
alone.
pouch.
I don't feel alone. Look, can I get off this glass floor?
It's only 10 push-ups.
What? Some
we're
more?
gonna do them on that floor.
Sorry, but
We
this
should have
is
said
the
one.
elevator ride.
It's all good.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We'll be back, probably.
Alright, see you later.
Yeah, with the whole team.
Exactly.
What was the purpose of building this building? Was it just so that they could have a lookout?
I guess so. Because everything else is
So they could
everything
charge people $25 a ride?
else is so damn flat. Let's go up there. Last floor. Go straight.
I'm still videoing.
Do it.
Now we gotta go down. No, we wanna go up.
That's impossible.
This side.
Last floor and elevators.
Let's do it.
This is the other way too. Oh, that's okay.
Last door or last floor?
Oh my god.
Hey, nice.
Wow.
What? That's a sick island.